Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lovable completely free and unlimited without expending a single credit. Okay, so let me show you a step-by-step process. So first of all, you need to download an extension. Okay, so you will get the link into the comment of this video. Okay, so just go there and download the extension and by clicking here. Okay, so as I already have the extension downloaded, then I'm not going to download it again. So all you just need to download it and then unzip it, because once you download, then you will get a zip file. So you need to unzip that file. Okay, so let me also show you the preview first. Here is the extension. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can install it into your Google Chrome. Okay, so from here, go to the extension, and then I'm going to remove it because I already have installed it. Okay, so once you just get here into the extension folder, okay, then just drag and drop the extension you just downloaded from the Google Drive, and then just make sure you reloaded it. Okay, and then go to the details and pin this to the toolbar. Okay, so that you can get access it anytime. Okay, so and then go back to the Lovable and just reload the page one more time. Okay, just reload this, and then you need a license key to activate the extension. Okay, so let me open this, and you can see here it's asking me a license key. All I just need to put the license key here, and then the extension is activated. Okay, so it's instant, and you just need to put the license, submit, and your extension is ready. So one more thing, you need to make sure that the Lovable project is correctly synced. Okay, so it will automatically synced, but you can also just give it a reload. Okay, so just simply reload the page, and then it will just sync your project. Okay, so now you are fully ready to use Lovable for free. So here I have 23 credits into this account. Okay, so let me just show you how it actually works. So I have 23 credits, and I'm going to send a prompt, send something on this landing page, and then I will show you it will not consume any single credit. Okay, so let me find something. Okay, so let's say, for example, in this section we have some uh, card. Okay, text. So we want to add a hover effect with gold color. Okay, so let me write a prompt for that. So okay, so I just write the prompt here, and then let me send it. Yeah, the prompt is sent, the Loba will start working. So this hover color will be changed something gold. Okay, so what I actually wrote into the uh, prompt. Okay, so let's see and try it out. Okay, so let it complete, okay, the editing, and then it will be working just fine. And I also show you the credit. Okay, so you can see still I have 23 credit here. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so the build is complete. Let me go to the section, and you can see the change is done. Okay, now it's gold color. Okay, when user hover, it's gold. Okay, so everything is working. So let me show you the credit. Okay, so see here, still it has 23 credit left. So when I'm just using Lovable, it's not consume any credit. Okay, because the extension handle everything from the backend. So if you want, then you can get it from the link below into the comment of this video. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day.